Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So it is the second day of August 2025 and I wanted to give an update on my heirloom open pollinated seed saving project for how we're doing with it. And I have just about everything labeled that I want to collect seeds from. And here's some straw flowers here that I am letting go. You can see they're going to be producing their seeds soon here. This is what they look like when they start going to seed. And this is what they look like before they're open. And this is what they look like when they just first open. So if your straw flowers look like this, they're starting to go to seed. Now, I tagged these last month, so it does take them a little while to produce the seeds. And you want to make sure that you start your seed saving project early enough so that you actually get your seeds off. So I've been collecting celosia seeds. I have quite a bit of celosia seeds collected as of right now. I have some other varieties marked. Some are just starting to come into bloom, so I have to get those marked and tagged as soon as I figure out which ones I want to save seeds from. I do have some that I'm going to be trialing them out then for my own varieties. We've had some that we've gotten some really neat designs and textures and colors out of them. So we've been collecting seeds from them, and we're going to see if the variety is stable enough. And then hopefully in the future I'll be able to offer them for sale. So these over here, I did take those. I did manage to get two of them that were good, and they had nice sturdy stems to them. So we took seeds from two of those. And I was saying about some of the varieties, it was going to be their last year, but there's two possible candidates with this beautiful magenta colored one and this pale green, where I might be able to get two of them where they're going to have the genetic quality that I'm looking for to save seeds from them. And you can see here with my bachelor's buttons, we got some of these here going to seed here. Now, when these start going to seed, and when they do produce seeds, a lot of your annuals will stop blooming. Now, I haven't seen that true for straw flowers and for celosia. That, to me, from what I've seen, they just keep going and going and going. So what I did here with these bachelor's buttons is I tagged the strongest plant out of all of them, and that's the one that I want to collect the seeds off of. So you can see here, some of the straw flowers were tagged, but a lot of them were not, because they just did not make the cut for what I'm looking for in them. But we do have some that we do have some tags on that we're going to be saving seed from. And these are some of my sunflowers here mixed in with a celosia. And these here are the sunflowers. Here, if you're new to gardening, this is what sunflower seedlings look like. So these are an heirloom open pollinated variety, and I'm hoping when I did all of my figuring up, they should bloom before a frost comes. Now, today, or last night I should say, it did get down into the 40s, which, I mean, we're August 2nd. We typically don't get that cold that quick, so it's hard to say how fast a frost is going to come. I really want these to bloom. This is a gold coin variety. It is an heirloom. I never grew it before, and the company that I got it from no longer sells the seeds for it. So I did save some of my seeds, but I planted some in here and I planted some out in my flower bed. But unfortunately, I did have more actually in here. Something is eating them. We had a rabbit eat some of them, and then I think some slugs or something else devoured some of my other ones. In another swimming pool, I was trying a teddy bear variety, and I think I only have like one of those left out of all the ones I had planted. So hopefully these stay good for us and they continue to grow and they bloom before the frost, because I definitely want to collect seeds from these because they are an heirloom variety. Now these here are my lemon drop marigolds, and they are an heirloom variety, and I've been saving seeds from these for a while now, and I had them tagged, but I'm guessing that they didn't see the tag. I had this plant over here tagged, and I'm guessing that no one saw it, and when I went to it the one day, the blooms were gone on it and they were missing, so I re-tagged it, and I'm going to put on save seeds. I might change the color of the tag so it's more visible, but these here, I do have these tagged for seed saving. So this right here is my only teddy bear sunflower that I have left from my seedlings. I had more of them in here and something ate them completely. They're just completely gone. So it was really disappointing because I really wanted to see that variety bloom. It's supposed to be really pretty, and I really wanted to see that variety bloom. So this had at least 8 seeds planted in it, and I only have 1 left. So I'm hoping that this one here matures in time to bloom. And these here, Nigella, this is going to start blooming here. So my goal for this here is that when it blooms and produces seeds, the seeds are going to fall into here and they're going to keep growing on their own without me having to plant them or replant them. So that was my goal with putting these in here, and just kind of having a spot where they can just sort of drop their seeds, reseed themselves, and keep growing. So this one here is one I still want to save seeds from. I love the color of it. It's sort of like a butter color in a way, but it has some darker, like golden colors to it. And this is some different celosia here. Now these are not my varieties here. I kind of got them mixed up, but I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to save some seeds off of these, that they'll mature in time, that I'll be able to get some seeds off of them. This one here is a Chinese wool flower. That's what this one here is called. And I cannot pronounce the name of this variety here, sorry. I don't know how to pronounce it, and I'm not even going to attempt to because I know that I can't. But you can see back here's another Chinese wool flower, and these actually do they look like balls of yarn. They're really neat looking, and they look really neat even when you dry them. But this variety here, it's the first year that I've ever grown this variety. But so far, we have, they seem like they're going to have nice stems to them. So I'm hoping that they do. So I want to give you this video update for how my project is coming along, the progress that we've made with it, what we're still hoping to get and collect our seeds from. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.